Hello everyone, today I will walk you through how to buy Steam games with Apple Pay. First, I want to clarify that you cannot pay for games directly on Steam using Apple Pay. Steam does not support Apple Pay as a payment method, so there is no option to select it during checkout. First, open your web browser and go to Start Select. Start Select is one of the platforms where you can buy Steam cards with Apple Pay. On Start Select, go to their Steam card section and pick the amount you want. After choosing the value, add the card to your cart. When you check out, select Apple Pay as your payment method. Once the payment is complete, you will immediately receive the Steam gift card code. Start Select delivers the code instantly on the screen and also sends it to your email. Now, go to your Steam account. Log in, then click on your profile name and select Account Details. From there, find the option Add Funds to your Steam wallet, and then click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter the code you got from Start Select into the box, then click Continue. Steam will validate the code, and once it's accepted, the value will be added to your Steam wallet balance. Now that you have funds in your Steam wallet, you can browse the Steam store and buy games. Thanks for watching.